I've done 86 videos since September, and I'm going to tell y'all what I've learned. There's been a few key things that I've taken from this whole experience, and I promised as I started this that, you know, as I learned some things, I'm going to share them with everybody. And for those of us that's in this game and trying to figure out how we get going, I'm here to tell you, anything you want to do, you can do here. This is your world. The one thing that I'm really starting to figure out for myself is, you know, that I've got to approach this whole arena as I'm talking to a friend, because in the end, there is someone on the other side of this recording device. And, you know, nobody in my life expects for me to have my hands free. I got a guitar pick in my hand, guys. I don't know why I have a guitar pick in my hand. Now, in my first videos, I'd have been sitting up like this and I'd have been all straight. Man, that's not how I approach talking with people. Not in real life. So it's just unrealistic to think that I can be engaging with people in any type of way by sitting up here looking all crazy like this. So just relax. Remember that there actually is someone on the other side of this. It helps for me, like I have my little window right there. And if I was talking to somebody in real life, I'm not going to be sitting there staring at them in their eye the whole time that I'm talking. I mean, maybe if I was like interrogating them or something, if I felt like maybe they had some information or something that I needed, I might would do that. But in real life, I'm going to look away. I'm going to take a drink. Y'all like these? My wife buys them for me. This is a 24-ounce can. I'm just a big man. But do y'all like these? They come around at this time of year. I like them. I've always been a ginger ale fan. Let me know in the comments. But the things that I've learned along the way are just treat this like it is your friend. And I'm not scared anymore of hitting record and just going for it. I can understand where people would have that, to hold them back. But let's get in now to what is content. What is your niche? Anything you want to make your niche, you can make it. Guys, I didn't realize, but there's actually people that are in my little crew that I watch that they have a channel that's like about like Pokemon cards. Go check him out, Nemo504. But he had, he'd done content about Pokemon, which, cool. I didn't even know there was a such thing. So that's just an example. You could make it about guitar picks if you wanted. You could make it about hex key sets. You can make it about anything that you want to make it about. My point is, for those of us in this age bracket, there's so many things that we could just narrow down and focus in on. Or you could just be like, you know what? I'm going to just be so random that random is my niche. I'm just going to share me. I'm going to put me out there. What's wrong with that? Not a thing. It depends on what it is your final motivation. For me, my final motivation in all of this is to chronicle some time, learn to do something I didn't know how to do, and then try to bring it to people in a way that is realistic and something that they can grab a hold of and say, okay, I'm getting what he's doing. I'm getting what he's saying. I'm just trying to come at this thing like it's a real person. Like I'm talking, like I don't have to just sit and stare at it. I don't have to just sit and be still. For someone like me, that's the most fake thing I could ever do would be to sit like that and talk. That's unrealistic. So guys, get on here and share yourself. If you want to talk about this cable, just talk about what a fine color this is and how it's so short and compact that it's almost useless for any real life application, but it comes in the pack and bam. I don't know, but you can make anything your niche. You can make just you your niche. You can make just You being you, as random as you want to be, you can make that your niche. So in the comments below, tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you're getting anything out of this. If I'm if you can relate to what I'm saying. Do you all really like these? I mean, they only come around really at Christmas time or holiday time, but I really like them. They are good. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you get anything out of this content. My name's Guy Bandy. This is Create and Change. Like, subscribe, share if you feel so led. If not, I really don't care. I just appreciate you being here. You guys have a great day.